Mga ka-CH, ito na yata ang pinakasulit na house and lot na mai-invest mo this 2026. This property has 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, may parking and amenities. At syempre, malapit ito sa ginagawang SM General Trias. Saan to?
General Trias, Cavite. 10 years ago, malayo, mahirap puntahan, traffic. But today guys, it is a growing investment hub outside Metro Manila. YSM and other major university like Ateneo are moving here. If you are hesitant to buy property here in General Trias, watch this video. Again, my name is Harold, your host for today, and this is Sage Property. So guys, titingnan natin today kung gaano ba kalayo yung SM City General Trias, yung ginagawa ngayon, ongoing construction. So ito, yung direction niya. 3 minutes away, 1.5 km. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Amaya. Pupunta tayo ng SM Gen 3. So ang nakalagay dito is 1.5 km, 3 minutes. 3 minutes lang sabi dito sa map natin, sa Google Maps. So, dadaan tayo ng open canal. So, ayan. So guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa SM construction site. Ayan o. Along D Road lang, open canal road. Tapos dyan sa gilid yung River Park. Pag diniretso mo, mga 2 kilometer lang, approximately, nandun na tayo sa Amaya Escapes, yung kaninang pinuntahan natin. Isusunod natin ngayon yung house tour ng Amaya Escape. So, dyan lang kayo. So, mga ka-CH, nandito tayo sa model unit ng Amaya Escape. This property has 60 square meter floor area and 100 square meter lot area. So, this property has a clean geometric look. Yan, marami siyang windows to give a natural light. Tapos may flexible space pa tayo for landscaping. And for the parking area, the provision for parking area natin, kasya yung sedan and SUV. So ito yung parking area natin. And punta na tayo sa loob. This will be your front door. Pagpasok nyo, ito yung main door natin. Durable main door. Tapos meron tayong window right here for natural light. Pwede nyo palagyan ng floor to ceiling na curtains. And then dito sa living area, pwede nyo palagyan ng sofa like this one. Tapos may pillow, may table. And pwede nyo palagyan ng ganito, wood accent for separation. Then, lagay niyo yung TV right here. So, we're going to the dining area. Ito yung dining area natin. Yan. Good for 4, yung dining area natin. Kasya yung table natin. Tapos, merong window. Dalawang window for natural light. Then, we got our aircon. Dito siya nakaabang. Okay, pendant lights for cozy lighting. Okay, we're going to the kitchen. So this will be your kitchen. We got our lower cabinets and the upper cabinet. Yan, pwede nyo pagawa ng upper cabinet for your condiments. Yan, yung mga plato nyo. Then, on this side, pwede nyo palagyan ng electronic cooktop with range hood. Then, on the other side, pwede nyo lagyan ng refrigerator. Tapos may space pa dito. Pwede nyo lagyan ng ng breakfast table. Yan. Tapos may chair na rin. Then, sa tabi ng kitchen area natin, nandito yung service area for laundry. Yan. Alright. Now, we're going to the first toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Okay? Bago tayo pumunta ng toilet and bath, sa ilalim ng staircase nyo, may space tayo for working table. Yan, no? Kasyang-kasya yung working table. Tapos, pwede nyo rin palagyan ng mga cabinets or shelves right here. Tapos, tabi nyo lang yung first toilet and bath natin with bowl and sink and shower. Okay? Alright. Okay, we're going to the second floor. Tapos na tayo sa first floor. Okay, this will be your staircase going to the second floor. And pwede nyong palagyan ng frame yung staircase nyo. Stairway. Okay? We're going to the second floor. Now, the second floor composed of 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So, punta muna tayo sa toilet and bath. Ayan. Kita nyo naman with bowl, sink, and shower. Kasha. Okay. Alright, we're going to the first bedroom. So, this will be your first bedroom. And, dalawa yung windows niya. So, yung bedroom na to, napakaliwanag. Kasi may mga natural light na pumapasok. Kaya, provision for aircon. Ayan, meron din tayo. And, 1 bedroom, 1 cabinet. Pwede nyo rin palagyan ng small table. Right here. Okay, we're going to the second bedroom. So, this will be your second bedroom with 1 window for natural lighting. Provision for aircon, 1 bed, and 1 cabinet. Kasya pa rin yung small table natin right here. So we're going to the final bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Tara. So we're going to the third bedroom, which is your master bedroom. Ayan, no? Kasya yung large bed nyo right here. Tapos meron tayong 1 window for natural lighting and provision for aircon. Ayan. And sa master bedroom natin, merong cabinet. Kasya rin yung small table natin right here. Yan. So, ganito yung magiging design na master bedroom. So, tapos na tayo sa second floor. Bauli tayo for recap. Tara! For the recap, this property has 60 square meter floor area, 110 square meter lot area with 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 vehicle carport. So, if you want this specific property, just contact us right here. Yan. And don't forget to subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram. So, my name is Harold. See you on the next house tour.